How to get Shopify 3-day free trial plus 3 months for $1 each. So first, you need to get here to this page here. So in order to do that, you just need to click the link in the description below or in the comment section. Okay, so after clicking the link, you will be transported here. So after that, you just need to type in your email here, just like this one, and then just click on the start free trial. Okay, after that, you just need to type in your password. Okay, now just click on create Shopify account. Now just click on I don't want help setting up, or if you want to set up your store using this one, you can do that. Okay, now after that, now you have a 3-day free trial in this one. Okay, so next you just need to select a plan here and then choose your plan here. Then as you can see, now for this plan here, for the basic, Shopify, and advanced, you can see that for $1 you can get it for 3 months. Okay, so that's about it. So if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.